In this video, we're going to factorize polynomials by using syntactic division. So when factorizing polynomials by using syntactic division, you need to find any number that you're gonna substitute it on f of x and get the remainder of 0. So if you substitute x is equals to -2 on f of x, you're gonna get 0. See, then this is how we're gonna do it. Gonna do these things to factorize this polynomial by using syntactic division. So it's gonna be -2. You're gonna put the coefficient of f of x in this form. So the coefficient of f of x, the coefficient of x cubed is 1, the coefficient of x squared is 9, the coefficient of x is 26, and the coefficient and our constant value is just 24. Here you're gonna put 0, you just add, it's gonna be 1 plus 0, you're gonna get 1, and you'll multiply 1 times -2 and you're gonna get -2. 1 times -2 is -2. 9 minus 2, you're gonna get 9 minus 2, you're gonna get +7, and then you're gonna multiply. The process is very simple. You add and you multiply, you're gonna get this value, and you add, multiply, you're gonna get this value. So 7 times -2, you're gonna get -14. 26 minus 14, you're gonna get 12. 12 times -2, you're gonna get -24. 24 minus 24, you're gonna get 0. And this, so once you get 0 here, then that means you are in a good track, because then that means our remainder is 0. So to factorize this polynomial, you're gonna open two brackets. It's gonna be f of x. So you need to transpose x is equal to -2 to the other side of the equation. So it's gonna be x plus 2. You see, then here it's gonna be x plus 2 into x squared. The coefficient of x squared is going to be 1 plus 7x plus 12. That's how you factorize this expression by using syntactic division. Let us try another problem. The best way to learn and to grasp everything is to try a lot of problems. So I got 3 problems for you. Let us try another problem. The remaining 2 problems. So let us try this one. Factorize complete f of x is equal to x cubed minus 19x plus 30. So to factorize this one, the value that I substituted here and get 0, it was x is equal to 2. You see, it was x is equal to 2. Then we need to use syntactic division to factorize this one. We need to insert the coefficient of f of x in this form. So it's gonna be 1. The coefficient of x cubed is 1. The coefficient of x squared, there's no coefficient of x squared, but we need to put 0. If there's no coefficient of x squared or coefficient of x, or there's no term of x, or so chill out, but you need to put 0. So it's gonna be 0 for x squared minus 19, and our constant is 30. Then we need to put 2 here. We need to put 2 here. Let me just erase here. So we need to put 2 here. So it's gonna be 2. You always put 0. You add. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. -19 plus 4, you're gonna get -15. -15 times 2, you're gonna get -30. 30 minus 30, you're gonna get 0. And to factorize f of x complete, gonna say x minus 2. You always transpose. If it was positive 2, you need to transpose negative 2, put 2 to the other side of the equation, and then you're gonna get x minus 2. So it's gonna be x squared plus 2x minus 15. That's how you factorize f of x. If you like it, you can also factorize this part. To factorize this part, you need to find two numbers that you need to multiply and give you negative 15. So the two numbers that you need to multiply and give you negative 15 is 3 and 5. Yeah, it's 3 and 5. So it's gonna be positive 5 and negative 3. So that's how you can factorize this complete. Let us try another one, which is our last example for this video. Okay, by the way, feel free to pause the video and try this one. If you substitute x is equal to negative 3 on f of x, you're gonna get the remainder of 0. And once you substitute any value here, and you can substitute any value. So the one that I've got here, it's negative 3. So you're gonna put the coefficient here. It's 1, 2, negative 5, and negative 6. And here it's gonna be 0, negative 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 times negative 3, you're gonna get negative 3. 2 minus 3, you're gonna get negative 1. 1 times negative 3, you're gonna get positive 3. Negative 5 plus 3, you're gonna get negative 2. Minus 5 plus 3 is negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 3, you're gonna get positive 6. Negative 6 plus 6, you're gonna get 0. And once you get the remainder of 0, then that means x plus 3 is a factor of f of x. Then to factorize it, it's gonna be f of x is equal to x plus 3 into x squared minus x minus 2. That's how you factorize f of x by synthetic division. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and have a nice day. Love you all.